Hello YouTube, hope you all guys doing very well. Today I have another Tesla. This one is come from another city which is around 250 kilometer away from where I live. It has very interesting reading from battery management system. I will show you this in a minute. But before I need to show you the battery pack. I post this video about this pack yesterday, and we already done the balancing on this side, and now we are working on this side. These are not too much imbalanced, but I will do the balancing so it will be 100% safe to fit. We have two Teslas here. We have another battery pack over there, which need to be replaced, a complete pack or maybe a one block. So let me show you about this one has very strange readings from battery management. So what we have here, 0% battery, and there is a message which says battery is over discharge, and this is a reading from battery management. So currently we have 2654 milliwatt difference, which is around 2.6 volt difference, and the difference cell is this one. It has 1.4 in 1.4 range, and others sitting around 4.1. So I am very confused about this vehicle, how this happens, and the car and the car didn't come directly from the owner. It went to a workshop who tried to recover the battery. Then it goes to the second man who also tried to recover the battery, and now the second person bring this vehicle to me. I have no contact with the customer itself, so I have no idea what I will going to do about this one. I will remove the battery, I will charge it, I will put some load on it. The problem is when battery is removed, we cannot put much load as the vehicle did itself. Like a vehicle can pull around 300 amperes, we cannot do that. We can do like 10 amperes maybe. But I want to check one thing. When we discharge the pack, after balancing, after charging, when we discharge the pack, does this one discharge with all others, or this one discharge quickly? So this thing I will check this thing. Then I will charge the pack again, and I will check if the pack charges with the others cells, or it lags in charging. So if there is few milliwatt difference, it will work, and if there is too much different, then this battery need to be replaced, or need to be replaced at least one block. So according to that data, the difference is, the problem is with the third block. Yes, this one. Each block has numbering on it. This one is third and fourth. So we have problem with the third block on that vehicle, and the cell should be around I think something here. So I will make a video when remove the battery from that vehicle. I will do the video, and I will show you guys what's going on with this one. Thank you. Please do subscribe to my channel.